thin.
Huh?
She looks skinny.
Well, we fit, though, don't we?
Yeah, left and right, yeah. There's a shoe right there.
Upriver. On the upriver side, it's worse than down here, just so you know.
All right.
I'm not kidding. We definitely won't be coming down this way.
Right.
To make it up that way. Made it up last summer.
You gonna hit that bad boy with some authority?
No, I'm just gonna barely be on plane because the direction I gotta go. It's really hard to make that corner without hitting the bank. I'll be on plane though.
All right.
With a beer in my hand. Which I didn't have one last weekend. Definitely makes me drive better with a beer in my hand.
Yeah, I've been there.
You're looking for your beer.
But I
in front of the battery.
I was gonna grab my beer, but I gotta hold the camera.
Not do it or what?
Yep. Let's go. Nothing to it.